Hello everyone, and welcome to Vocabulary Week 12. Here are our words this week. Apothecary, dire, respite, insight, vigorous, and infirmity. Our first word this week is apothecary. It is a noun, and an apothecary is a medicine giver, or a pharmacist. It's also a pharmacy or drugstore, so it can really be a person or a place. Synonyms for this word are pharmacy, doctor's office, hospital, and as you can see in the images, we have a doctor here, somebody who prescribes medicine and makes sure that their patients are healthy and vibrant. We also have medicine in a medicine bottle. So apothecary is a person who gives medicine or a place that provides medicine. Next is the word dire. Dire. Now this is an adjective, so it describes things, and it is something that causes or involves great fear or suffering, dreadful or terrible. It can also mean indicating trouble, disaster, misfortune, or the like. Synonyms for this word would be critical, desperate, drastic, and extreme. So in this image here, you can tell that this man is going through a dire situation. He is dirty, he looks like he's downtrodden, he looks like he might be hurt, he is depressed, he's got his face in his hands, he is absolutely depressed and in a drastic, extreme situation, dire. The next word is insight. This is a noun, and it's a moment of figuring something out, or what's frequently called an aha moment. That time in your life where you instantly thought of the right idea, or you thought of the correct answer, or you thought of a great way to solve your problem. Synonyms might be intuition, understanding, wisdom, and perception. As you can tell in this image here, it's the light bulb moment inside your head when you finally understand what is going on. Insight. The next word is respite. Respite. And this is a verb, so it's something that you do, and it means to relieve temporarily, especially from anything distressing or trying. It's to give an interval of relief from. It can also mean to grant delay in the carrying out of something like a punishment or an obligation. Really good synonyms for respite would be rest, break, downtime, vacation, hiatus, and relief. As you can tell in this image, we have a beautiful background, perhaps a beach or some sort of water, and this man is putting his feet up. He's relaxing. He's enjoying the moment. He's taking a break, a relief or a respite from something. The next word is vigorous. Vigorous. Now this is an adjective, so it describes things, and it means strong, active, and robust, energetic, and forceful. It doesn't have to mean physically strong. It can also mean emotionally or spiritually strong. It can mean strong-humored, anything where somebody has a lot of life being shown there. Synonyms mean active, healthy, lively, strong, tough, and hardy. So in these images here, we have a strong man and a strong woman. They are very vigorous. Our next word is infirmity. Infirmity. This is the opposite of vigorous, and it's a noun, and it is a physical weakness or ailment, a moral weakness or failing. So you can have a physical infirmity like a cold or a disease, but you can also have a moral infirmity like you can't stop lying or cheating or stealing, things of that sort. So synonyms of this word are sickness, illness, ailment, malady, decay, and disease. Clearly in this image, this woman has an infirmity. She's blowing her nose. She looks unkept. She doesn't look well, so she has an infirmity. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks so much for joining us. Our words this week were apothecary, dire, respite, insight, vigorous, and infirmity. I'll see you next time. Bye.